Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm finally putting some makeup on. I know I'm the worst. I barely do makeup tutorials anymore, only because I honestly don't wear makeup throughout my day. Like, I don't even wear makeup to work. That's how bad I've gotten with this thing. But I really want to try and change and start wearing makeup a lot more often. I mean, I literally spend so much money on it and I only wear it like on the weekends. So I need to start actually using the money that I'm spending. I just received an email from Sephora that said I'm about to be VIB Rouge, and I found out that to be VIB Rouge I had to spend $1,000 in 1 year. Ask me how upset I am that I've spent $1,000 on makeup. Pretty upset. But anyways, I went ahead and bought makeup anyways. I just got the new KathleenLights times ColourPop, the Zodiac collection, so I'm pretty excited. And my friend just texted me to go out, so I was like, perfect, I'm gonna do my makeup today with this new makeup products I got, and then I might as well film it and tell you what I think of it, right? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try out these new little products that she came out with. I'm super excited for them. I'm not really like a Zodiac follower. Like, I don't even know. I know I'm a Virgo, that's about it, but I don't know what that means. I don't even know what my moon is. I don't know. She talks about it all the time. I listen to her because it's Kathleen, but that's about it. But I do like the products that she came out with just by seeing it in the pictures. So today I'm gonna actually test it out and see how I think about the quality. I'm gonna try to use as much of the products as I can. Obviously I can't use all of them because I'm not gonna mix the lippies and all of that, but I'll try to use almost everything. So if you want to see the look I create, then please keep watching. All right, so to start off, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize, which I don't have my moisturizer here, so I'll be back. All right, so for moisturizer today, I'm going to be using my First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. Looks like this, and I'm just going to dot that and spread it around with my finger. Don't mind my nails. I'm actually gonna do them after this video, which I should have done them before, but then my makeup would have came out terrible because I would have had to think about my nails, so just bear with me. This moisturizer, it's my first time using it. It's not hydrating at all, and my dry skin needs some moisture, so I'm not gonna like that. All right, for my primer today, I'm gonna be using the No Pore Problem primer. Looks like this. Again, I'm just dotting that and spreading it out with my finger. I haven't used this primer in a while and it's so good. It really smooths out my pores. I feel like this was more hydrating than the friggin' moisturizer. Alright, next I'm going to be concealing. I'm actually going back into my Tarte Shape Tape. I keep asking my friends what their favorite concealer is and they always say Shape Tape, so I don't know. I stopped using it because I felt like the ColourPop one was so much better. But I kind of ran out of my ColourPop one and I'm so stupid. I should have ordered it when I ordered the KathleenLights situation and I didn't, so I'm kind of upset at myself. I do know that this is so much better than the new Tarte one, the creaseless one. Oh my god, it was so dry on me. It was terrible. I returned it. Alright, next for my under eyes, I'm going to be using my Hourglass powder. I'm just setting the concealer that I already put down. Next for foundation, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty foundation. Okay, and I'm just going in with my beauty blender to make sure that everything is smoothed out. Alright, to set that, I'm going to be using my Becca powder and I'm just going to put that all over my face. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera because it only takes me like 3 seconds and I want to do this quick and then I'll be right back. So, for my eyebrows, by the way, I used this BH Cosmetics Flawless Trio thing. It's actually like really good. I try to go back to like high-end products and I always come back to this. I don't know, it's so good. It's powder, by the way, but I love it. All right, so now we're into the good stuff. We finally made it to the first Kathleen product I'm going to try. This is going to be the Zodiac eyeshadow palette So let's go ahead and open it. First off, I love the black and gold packaging, super cute. Oh, and then this is different, it's like blue and gold. Honestly, I thought that the palette was going to be a lot bigger. I don't know why, when she did like the little video about it, it looked bigger. I could live with it though. The colors are super pretty, and for the people that are Virgos and are mad about the brown color that she picked for Virgos, I honestly love it because I was really scared that she wasn't gonna put a color that I could put on my outer crease, on the, outer V, and the Virgo one is that one. So thank you, Kathleen, thank you. So the first color I'm going to pick up is the Taurus, which is this little transition shade that she has in the palette, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. So right off the bat, the color is really pigmented and it's easy to blend. Do your chip. All right, next I'm going to pick up the Virgo, and I'm gonna put that on the outer V of my eye. Wow, I really like this palette. It's so pretty, I love it. And I've only used two colors. Trippy keeps sneezing, I don't know what's wrong with him. Trippy. All right, next I'm going to use the Scorpio, and I'm just gonna put that really close to my like eyelash line. Let's see what's up. Next, I'm gonna pick up the Libra, and I'm gonna put that on the rest of my eyelid. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to pick up that same, the Scorpio, and line the bottom of my eyeline. Why does Chip keep sneezing? Why do you keep sneezing? I'm also going to go ahead and pick up the Virgo and put that on the lower lash line as well. I'm also going to put a little bit of the Libra on my eyebrow bone. I'm going to start bronzing up my face. So I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Dulce de Leche bronzer, and I'm just putting that on the bones of my cheeks. Alright, next I'm going to be taking her Super Shock shadow in the color On the Cusp. This is what it looks like, and I'm just going to be highlighting the tops of my cheeks with it. I'm gonna do it with my finger because why not? Wow. Okay, Kathleen, I see you. These highlights are so buttery, it's insane like how soft it is. It also makes it look so much more natural on your skin. Alright, and then for my lips, I'm going to be using the color What's Your Sign. So excited for this. Okay, this definitely doesn't look as good as it did on her, because on her it's like a perfect nude. On me it's like a little too light to be a nude for me. It's more like a pinkish, but it's okay, I'll work with it. Okay, next I'm just going to do some eyeliner on my lower lash line and some mascara, and I'll be right back. All right guys, so I went ahead and put my eyeliner and mascara. I also went ahead and put the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray just to finish up the look. I really like, I think my favorite thing was the highlighter. I wasn't expecting it. Chippy, come here. Chippy is on a roll today, let me tell you. So I wasn't expecting it to be so good because I actually don't really like their Super Shock formula, only because I feel like I can't do it with a brush and I hate getting my hands dirty, but doing it with your hands, it really comes out nice and natural. I love it, it's so good. So far so good. I haven't tried everything. I didn't even try the little supernova shadows, which are like those glittery things. I could probably go ahead and put some if I wanted to, but I don't want to look too extra. We're just, you know, not going anywhere fancy or anything. So yeah, so far so good. I always love KathleenLights products. She really does take her time and make sure that it actually reflects her in some way, and you know she's obsessed with these the Zodiac thing. So I mean, this is her. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.